Hello friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana, and today I have something completely different from the past couple episodes. No dough, no tortillas, no pasta. It is something I was a little bit skeptical about because I didn't think it could be as good as the original recipe, but it is, I promise. They're delicious, they're so easy to make, and you can kind of make them your own, and that is chicken meatballs. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the ingredients for your delicious chicken meatballs. We have 1 pound of ground chicken, a ½ cup each of Parmesan cheese, panko breadcrumbs. You can use any breadcrumbs that you'd like. There are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a generous ½ teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, and 1 egg. And as far as the garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, you can also add whatever spices you want to get whatever flavor you'd like from these chicken meatballs. No wrong answers here. So let's add it all together and let's get started. Okay, so I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and now we're going to add all the ingredients and get our chicken meatball mixture all mixed up. So we have the breadcrumbs, we have the Parmesan cheese, we have the garlic salt, we have the garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Again, I use kosher. Use whatever you want. The egg, which I beat up a little bit just to kind of have it mix a little easier. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is what's going to make it really like nice and moist. Make our meatballs nice and moist. Get all of that out of there. And I also have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper at the ready. Now this is my little trick. I pour some olive oil in my hands so they don't get all sticky, and then we just start to mix. And you don't want to over mix. Alright, that looks good. I'm gonna pull over my baking sheet at the ready, and now just start rolling your meatballs. And I usually kind of make them, I don't know, maybe golf ball size. I don't golf. Is that a golf ball? Sure. And just keep repeating the process until you're all done. Meatballs before they go into the oven. This is 26 meatballs plus a little tiny baby one that I'm going to make my tester. But yeah, you'll usually get between, 24 or 26 depending on how big or small you make your meatballs. But now let's put them in the oven. We're going to put them in for 20 to 25 minutes. I usually put them in for around 23. Here's our finished product. Delicious chicken meatballs. A nice kind of crust on the outside, but still moist on the inside. And as always, it's time for the taste test. This little mini one. Still got it. And there you have it, my friends. Super easy, again, super delicious, a little bit lighter for the summer, chicken meatballs. Thank you so much for coming back to my tiny kitchen. I can't wait to see you again. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment, tell your friends. And also, please remember to be a good human being to your fellow humans. Don't be a mask hole. Wear a mask. See you next time.